Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install HDO Box on your Amazon FireStick device step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is move left, slide down, and click on the search option. Once you're on the search screen, you'll see a keypad on your FireStick that allows you to search for any app available on the Amazon App Store. Today, we are here for the Downloader app, so go ahead and type Downloader. After typing just a few letters, the Downloader app will appear in the search results. Slide down and click on it. Now click on the bright orange Downloader icon. Here, you'll see the option to download and install this app on your FireStick device. Press the download button using your remote. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the Downloader app is installed, we need to give it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. To do that, hold down the home button on your remote for about 2 to 3 seconds. Then move right and click on Settings. From here, move right again and click on My Fire TV. Now, if you see Developer Options, that's perfect. If you don't see it, don't worry. It's very easy to enable. Just click on About. Then click on your FireStick name about 7 times until you see a message saying Developer Options are enabled. After that, press the back button on your remote. Now slide down and click on Developer Options. Here, turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using an Amazon FireStick 4K Max, your menu may look a little different. In that case, simply turn on the Downloader app. Now that everything is set up, let's open the Downloader app. Hold down the home button again, select Apps, and scroll down to the bottom of the list. The most recently installed app always appears at the bottom. Click on Downloader to open it. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask for a few permissions. Click Allow. Then click OK. This is the home screen of the Downloader app. You'll see a menu on the left side and a search bar on the main screen. Click on the search bar by pressing the remote's center button twice. A keyboard will appear on your screen, allowing you to enter a code or website. Today we are installing HDO Box, so enter the downloader code 863280 and then click Go. After entering the code and pressing Go, the HDO Box APK file will start downloading automatically on your FireStick. This may take a moment depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, you'll be taken directly to the installation screen. Move right and click on Install. Give your FireStick a few moments while the app installs. Once the installation is finished, click Done. Now delete the installation file since we no longer need it. Click Delete, move left, and click Delete again. Before using the app, it's always a good idea to protect your privacy while streaming online. Many users prefer using a VPN to keep their connection secure and avoid potential region-related access issues when using third-party streaming apps. That's it. The app is now installed on your FireStick. Hold down the home button, select Apps, and scroll to the bottom of the list. You'll find HDO Box there. Go ahead and launch the app and start exploring its movies and TV shows on your Amazon FireStick device. If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.